What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to earn money online fast and easy. I'm actually going to share with you 3 ways, so all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, I actually just came up with even 2 more ways, so it's going to be 5 in total here. So what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information I'm going to share with you on how to earn money online fast and easy. And you're probably not going to get rich with these methods. These are actually aimed and targeted to make some extra money online. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that you can have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But these are great ways. Doesn't require actually any previous experience at all to get started with, and you can do this from anywhere in the world here. So let's get started to have a look at these ways on how to earn money online fast and easy. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing that we can do is we can go to so-called Ptc sites like squishycash.com. You can see here squishycash.com. What you can do is you sign up for free for these sites here, and you do there are different offers and tasks actually. You get paid to fill out free offers, taking surveys, you playing games, sign up for free sites, sign up for free trials, and you earn cash back also for online shopping. They do have, of course, a referral program, so what you need to do is refer family and friends here to earn even more with this. And you get paid. Payment, gift cards and prizes are sent next day, fee free, without any fees at all. So that's what I like about Squishy Cash here. And you earn even more, of course, when you participate in a daily and monthly contests there. So they do have every single day contest that you can participate in, of course. Now PayPal is probably the preferred money method that we want here, so they can actually pay out via PayPal. Otherwise we can pick anything from Amazon gift cards, iTunes and so on here. So if I just scroll down a little bit, we can have a quick look here on how it works. You can see here Squishy Cash has partnered up with hundreds of advertisers to bring you easy, fun opportunities to earn extra cash. Receive payments via PayPal, Dwolla, Skrill, Check and Amazon.com. Exactly as I said earlier here. Plus you earn chips to redeem for dozens of different gift cards and prizes here also. You can see at the moment as I'm recording this video 8 very distinct ways to earn on Squishy Cash. We have free offers, we have surveys, paid to click, the so-called Ptc sites as I said earlier here. They do have offer walls, free trials, shopping, refer friends, contests and promos. A lot of ways actually, and basically what you need to do is go to squishycash.com, sign up for free and get started with it. Another similar site that I have shared in the past is actually ysense.com. ysense.com, this is how it looks. You can see here, earn extra cash online. Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. You join now to start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, figure 8 tasks and more. So I'm not going to read through here, but they do have pretty similar offers actually. Let me share another site with you here, and that is Swagbucks. Very popular site, I shared this in the past. You earn points here for shopping, watching videos, search the web, answering surveys and find great deal to earn your points here. Okay, so have a look at it, Swagbucks. I'm not going to go into details, I shared this many times in the past. It's super easy to make some extra money online with this site here. Alright, let's move on to something else, and that is to do any kind of micro tasks. You can go to a site like rapidworkers.com which we are at here, and you can see here for just vote for a YouTube video you earn 10 cents, follow someone on Twitter you earn 12 cents, let's see what else is there, create a Gmail account 13 cents, and so on. So by doing small tasks that goes pretty fast and easy, you can definitely work your way up to making some good extra money online with rapid workers here. A very similar site is also Micro Workers. Now there are of course a lot of other sites like Amazon's mturk.com, there is picoworkers.com. They do work with pretty similar actually as these sites, but I think you can get started with these two sites here. Micro Workers and Rapid Workers are probably the two most popular. So you can see a lot of opportunities here. It can be anything from data entry, votes, likes, and so on. There, sign up for offers and you make some good extra money with these sites here. If you focus on surveys and you want to make some money fast, then surveytime.io is definitely highly recommended. You earn actually $1 per survey here, but the cool thing is you get paid instantly with this site here. And last time I shared a video here, I signed up actually, and you can see I get actually 2 or 3 offers every single day here. So you can make a few extra bucks every single day with surveytime.io. If you go here to the FAQ section, you can see here you answer a few questions to help us create your profile, and we offer you the surveys that fit your interest. Then you can start taking surveys and earn $1 each for every survey you complete, of course. You can see here that there are different gift cards available for each country. Now, of course, PayPal is the preferred method there. Alright, you will be notified via email as I showed you earlier here. Now, if you happen to fail a survey and so on, you can have a look at the rest of the FAQ section here if it is something that you want to sign up with, which I do recommend that you should actually go to Survey Time. Another site that you can focus on surveys only is VINDale.com, and you can see here you earn actually $1 straight away by just signing up. But look at this, they do have high paying surveys that you can make even up to $50 per survey here. Alright, so VINDale.com, this is how it looks, and if I go to the section where it says ways to earn, you won't only get paid online by taking surveys. Below you can learn how to make money online using several of VINDale's great services. So you can see here you can actually find reward codes and get paid. You get $5 for every friend you refer, so it is a referral program, of course, here also available for you. Reward email, you earn cash for every email you open. And you get paid here for watching videos also. I mean, how cool is that? Definitely a site that is worth to have a look at, VINDale.com. Alright, let's move on here to another opportunity, that is to be a transcriber. You can go to a site like Scribby.com that I'm right here right now, and you can see here people come to this site, they want to have videos or something transcribed, and basically it doesn't require any special skills to do this. All you need is a good pair of headphones and be able to type pretty quickly. Okay, you can do a typing test if you want to go to typingtest.com to see how fast you can type actually, and you can get started with these kind of services. So if you go to the bottom here, we can see that there is actually even of course an affiliate program, but we want to go to the section where it says transcribers here. So if you go to the transcribers, you can see here home-based job, work at your convenience, $5 to $25 per audio hour here. Okay, so you can see that you can make really some quick money online here with this. There is more sites, I shared those, a lot of transcription. You can even search here on my channel. I did actually a video about just the transcription jobs there where I share more sites. So I do recommend you, if you want to focus on this, of course, to sign up for a few sites, because you can't just sit and wait for Scribby to send you every single day jobs there. Alright, and you can actually do this on the final thing that I'm going to share with you here, because the final bonus method also is that you can be any kind of a freelancer. Alright, so what you need to do is you go to a site like Fiverr.com. We are here, and I'm just going to type here transcription. You can see here, you can see that there is a lot of people that is offering the services here for transcription. Now, there is more things that we can do here on Fiverr, and just to give you a quick idea here, okay, you can actually be a middleman here on Fiverr, so you don't even have to translate. What you need to do is create a gig here offering that, and you can outsource it to someone else. You can go to a site like, let's say for example you go here, or if you get a job from Scribby, you can go to a Fiverr and do a request, or just go to another freelance site. We have Upwork.com, which is also a very popular freelance site, and you can do a request and say, hey, I have this, it is probably 30 minutes, I want to have it transcribed, who can do this job, blah blah blah, and so on. And you get a request there, and of course you will take your commission and be the middleman, and no one, basically the one who is purchasing the gig in the first hand doesn't have to know anything about this, that you are the middleman. So you can do this with a lot of services, okay? So basically what you need to do is create a Fiverr profile here and offering a few services. So I mean, you can do transcription, you can do data entry, which is also very popular and easy to do, and offering a few other services. So don't limit yourself there. But I think that this is probably a great way to make money online fast and easy by taking up on any kind of freelance jobs. What you need to do is just focus on hunting jobs here on these freelance sites, okay? So you can go, for example, we have Upwork, we have also freelancer.com, there is also peopleperhour.com. So create a profile on all of this, go inside and search for projects that you can apply for and bid. What you need to do in the beginning, of course, since you don't have any reputation, bid low. When you get the job, of course, what you need to do is go and outsource it. Or, of course, if you're good at transcribing, for example, you do it yourself, so you make even more money there. There you have it, 3 + 2 ways to earn money online fast and easy. Now, as I said in the beginning, these opportunities here probably not going to get you rich. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, and much more. And you also find an end screen here with another Make Money Online video recommendation that you can check out. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.